Some of the features of object-oriented paradigm. In object-oriented paradigm, our emphasis is on data rather than procedure. We are more interested in data and how this data can be modified or accessed. On that concept we are concentrating here. So emphasis on data, not on procedure. Programs are divided into what are known as objects. If you want to solve any problem in OOPS, first we have to create one or more number of objects, and these objects communicate with each other to solve our problem. So we need programs are divided into objects first. Data structures are designed such that they characterize the objects. Everything, every data structure is actually characterized into objects. Methods that operate on the data of an object are tied together in data structure. As I already told, data and methods are tied together. Means the method can access that data. Not any outside function can access that data. So it's tied together. Data is hidden and cannot be accessed by external functions. Okay, data is available only for the methods which is tied, not for outside function. Objects may communicate with each other through methods. Multiple objects can be communicated by sending some messages. Just like human beings. If any person want to do some work, he just ask another person to do it. For example, if I go to bank and I want to check my balance in account, how many amount is there, I go to clerk and just ask how much balance in my account. Then he is asking what is your account number. Then I have to provide that account number information and he will return the amount. Like that our object also communicate. Our objects communicate by sending some messages. New data and methods can easily added whenever necessary. I will explain this concept during the inheritance and other topics. Follows bottom-up approach in program design. Here first we divide the problem into number of small objects and build the application, which is called as a bottom-up approach, which is opposite of our top-down approach, which is applied in the C program.